You know, it's just signs that make you wonder. And it's really a big deal that we have things we can't explain or understand or control. I've wondered if it's okay for us to run to a corner of a room and stand and watch and take pictures. I think he rather enjoys it. I think as long as we don't prostitute it for our glory, as long as we give him glory and celebrate. It feels like children, you know, just discovering him. You know, we don't seek for signs, but we don't ignore them either. It's kind of dumb if he shows up in a cloud, you go, I don't want to be distracted. I invite all of his distractions. So. The church has been gathering together for decades around a sermon. Israel camped around the presence. And we've known that there are some dramatic shifts that are going to take place in how we do life, how we do church. The presence of God is the greatest gift we have. And to shut everything else down because of that is absolutely worth it to me. It's the joy of our heart to celebrate him, the person of the Lord Jesus Christ, that for whatever reason decides to show up. You say, well, why doesn't he show up in a way that he can be visibly recognized? He told Israel, he said, I was in the cloud and I did not let you see any form because I knew you to be an idolatrous people and you would create an idol after the image you saw. And so the lack of clarity sometimes is, he's not punishing us, he's just letting us, he's wanting to give us as much as can bless us and promote us without destroying us. And so what's happening tonight is the church is camping around the presence. We may not have an idea, a clue what we're doing. And we certainly don't know what to do next. But finally, the main thing has become the main thing.
Lazarus. Hey! Talita kumi. Talita kumi.
Tell me, who's speaking?
This is the
I'm the brother.
man of God.
You are the brother.
Yeah, I'm the brother.
And you?
I am the landlord.
You are the landlord.
I'm the landlord for him, yes. Yes, he got sick. He got sick, and then he started coughing a lot on Friday. Then we took him to the hospital, and then the doctor said, because he's got no papers, they can't help him until we send him to the surgery doctor. That is where he died in my hand.
See the breathing. See this man.
And this is your brother?
Yeah, this is my own brother.
Jesus.
He died on
Jesus.
Friday. Yeah.
Jesus.
So where did you keep the body? Brother?
Yeah, this is my own brother.
Jesus.
He died
Jesus.
on Friday. Yeah.
Jesus.
So where did you keep the body?
The body was on the mortuary.
Jesus.
This body is coming from the mortuary.
Yes.
Is that-
from the graveside? That's the emotions come.
Woo! My God, my God, my God. Rase kilo kilonda. Rasa halaba sondre kaso. Jeza mio hola zoto kota. Mambe here hita kotato. My God, my God, my God. Shota. Hey, shalabosa. Liarose konda.
Jesus.
You know what happened?
Marabo sheka.
Jesus.
Olabasato. Olabase kora. Olabaharido konda.
Man of is commanding life.
Rise up! Come on!